Can you get the chair, baby?
Oh, we were sitting on one.
Oh, he's got it back.
There's one on your seat, Gavin. It's an apple. Stop.
Okay, now I'll finish that. Nicholas took it from me.
Really? Nicholas? Nicholas.
Would you like the red one, Gavin?
No.
Well, maybe if you get the red one and hand it to Nicholas, he'll give you the yellow one back.
Where is it? Oh, that is. Here you go, Nicholas. Give it to me.
Asking for the yellow one.
Please, Nicholas. Please, try out the yellow. Please.
You can't hardly fit through there.
Nicholas, don't do that while you're just sitting there.
Nicholas had nothing to do with it.
The yellow cup is for me.
There it is.
Get it.
Oh.
Nicholas.
That's Gavin's game. Do you have games at your house?
No.
Oh no.
He was probably eat on the chair.
I know.
He hasn't really been trying to put them in his mouth, has he?
No.